Good morning, students. Good morning once again. Today, science class, chapter 6, combustion and flame. We have discussed chapter 5 and now the chapter 6. This is a not so tough chapter. This is so easy, but you can assuming some of the parts from this chapter because they are not alternate examples in surrounding us, so we can discuss here. This is the chapter 6, combustion and flame. First of all, introduction about this chapter. What do you mean by combustions? Before this, we can know about the flame. And what about flame? Where's flame come? You know about fire flame. Before that, where's fire come first? And what are the uses of fire? How the fire comes in history? And these are things. In ancient India, near about after Stone Age or something before, there is a very important parts for the human beings was fire, because due to the fire they can do many more things, cooking their foods, and cannot explain in words what are the uses, what were the uses of fires. Now it was considered a life given and sacred. Even today many religions rituals are considered incomplete without the offering to fire. In our marriages, you know about, जब भी शादियां होती हैं तो उसमें देखते हैं आपकी फायर के चारों तरफ ही वो 7 फेरे लेते हैं, तमाम बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. ओके, तो व्हाट इज फायर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एंड हाउ इट इज कॉज्ड, या व्हाट आर द यूजेज ऑफ फायर्स. नाउ इन दिस चैप्टर we will discuss combustion, exact pronunciation is combustion, condition for combustions, types of combustions, ignition temperature, fire extinguisher, and in the last flame, type of flames and flames. Now what is combustion? First of all, what is combustion and combustions about and their conditions. You know, actual fire is caused by the burning of substances, any types of substances, but there are categories for the burning of substances. All substances cannot be burned by the easy fire. Okay, so there are conditions for the burning of substances. If you bring a burning matchstick near a paper of a cloth, it will catch fire and start burning. You know what? This process of burning is called combustion. When any object burn easily by the help of any fire flame, that process is called combustion. But there is a conditions, not easily it is defined as this is the combustion. There is a conditions for the burning of combustions, for the burning of substances. There should be many more conditions that should be surrounded us, and we can discuss in the next chapters. And the process of burning of substances is actually its reaction with the oxygen present in air. In this reaction, lot of heat and light is produced. Okay, so we can define combustion as a process in which a substance reacts with oxygen rapidly to given heat and light. Okay, when we are trying to burn anything with the help of matchstick or any other substances, there should be conditions. There should be a oxygen gas, and that substance should be on the condition of burning. When you trying to burn a stone, that cannot be burned. When you trying to burn a paper, that should be easily burned. So there should be a conditions. We will discuss those type of conditions in the next topic. Now the reactions for the combustions. What was the actual chemical reaction for the combustion? When we have take a magnesium, suppose that आपको एक मैग्नीशियम रिबन और मैग्नीशियम दे दिया जाए और उसको आप बर्न कराइए मैच स्टिक के हेल्प से, तो यू विल फाइंड दैट देयर शुड बी इंक्रीजिंग ऑफ मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड. जब आप मैग्नीशियम को जलाते हैं तो ऑक्सीजन प्रेजेंट है, और उस ऑक्सीजन के प्रेजेंट में वो मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड क्रिएट करता है, यानी दैट वन क्रिएटेड इन द परमानेंट रिएक्शंस, that is called chemical reactions. Now when you are trying to burn oxygen in a presence of carbon dioxide, that should make carbon dioxide. Okay, when you trying to burn carbon like a coal को आप जलाते हो इन प्रेजेंट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड क्रिएट करता है, दैट इज वेरी डेंजरस फॉर आवर हेल्थ. ओके, so this type of reactions we can burn another material like sodium, we can burn another material like potassium, calcium. These are things they mix their oxides. When in the presence of oxygen, any substance should be burned, that presence of oxygen mix chemical reaction and there will be find a heat and the ऑक्सीजन्स के साथ उसके ऑक्साइड्स. नो कंडीशन फॉर कंबसन, अभी हमने डिस्कस किया कि कौन कौन से कंडीशन है, किस कंडीशन में कहीं पे कॉट फायर हो जाता है इजीली में, कहीं पे भी फायर हो जाती है. व्हाट आर द कंडीशंस, हर जगह पे कॉट फायर नहीं हो सकता है, तो उसके लिए कंडीशंस बनाए गए हैं. एंड वी नीड अ कंबस्टिबल सब्सटेंस. बट व्हाट इज द कंबस्टिबल सब्सटेंस? दो सब्सटेंस विच कैन कॉट फायर इजीली. There will be exceptions for stone, bricks, cement, irons. They cannot be caught fire easily. Secondly, oxygen is necessary for combustion. Okay, because during the combustion substances react with oxygen and they make supporter of combustion. The finally requirement of the combustion is temperature. There should be a minimum ignition temperature. What is ignition temperature? We will discuss in further topics. Okay, if you keep a paper or a petrol in a constant with air, it does not start burning. However, if you bring a burning matchstick in a contact with it, it will be immediately catch fire. Why this is? This is because every substance start burning at a particular temperature called ignition temperature. When any substance start to burning on a particular temperature, that is called ignition temperature. Now, minimum temperature to burn anything, that is called ignition temperature. The condition for burning, there are three conditions, major three conditions for burning are presence of combustible substance. That substance who you want to try to burn, that should be combustible substance. Combustible substance means ऐसा substance जो easily में caught fire हो जाए, उसको combustible substance बोलते हैं. There should be a combustion, जहाँ पे combustion cause हो, जहाँ पे fire create हो सके, जहाँ पे कॉट फायर हो सके, दैट इज द कंबस्टिबल सब्सटेंस. नाउ द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सपोर्टर ऑफ कंबसन, दैट इज ऑक्सीजन, एयर, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. व्हेन यू ट्राइंग टू बर्न एनीथिंग, देयर शुड बी ऑक्सीजन. देयर शुड बी नो ऑक्सीजन, देयर विल बी नो फायर. ओके, नाउ थर्ड इज सोर्स ऑफ हीट टू प्रोवाइड इग्निशन टेम्परेचर. देयर शुड बी अ सोर्स which provide to fire. When you trying to burn a paper, there should be only matchstick and matchstick cannot rub on the matchbox. So there should be no fire, there should be no burning of combustion, there should be no burning of paper. तो ये तीनों कंडीशंस मस्ट होने चाहिए. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कंबस्टिबल सब्सटेंस, एयर होना चाहिए और वहाँ पे फायर क्रिएट होनी चाहिए ऑन द प्लेस ऑफ बर्निंग ऑफ पेपर और एनी अदर थिंग. ओके, दीज आर द कंडीशंस फॉर कंबसन. नाउ द एक एक्टिविटी करते हैं, उस एक्टिविटी से मोस्टली चीज़ें क्लियर हो जाएंगी. टू प्रूव दैट विदाउट ऑक्सीजन कंबसन डज नॉट टेक प्लेस, यू शुड take a flask and a burning candle. When you are trying to cover the burning candle with a flask, you will see after few times there will be no burning candle goes off. Why reason? Because observe again, you will see that after some time the flame flickers and then goes out. As the amount of oxygen reduces, the flame start flickering, and when all oxygen inside the jar is used up by the burning of candle, it is not able to burn anymore. This is proof that there should be oxygen, must be oxygen when there will be burning of any flame. Without oxygen doesn't combustion. Okay, तो बर्निंग के लिए ऑक्सीजन बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है और ये हमने इस एक्टिविटी से करके देख लिया. दिस वाज द एक्टिविटी 6.1 इन योर बुक एंड नेक्स्ट वीडियो इन द फर्दर टॉपिक्स. ओके.